Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna talk a little about video editing. As you all know, I've been creating videos on YouTube since 4 years now, and just like everybody else, I'd like to think that I'm improving bit by bit when it comes to my video editing skills, because obviously the more you practice, the better you get. But today in this video, we are not going to talk about the YouTube videos, but Instagram Reels instead. These small 10, 15, 30 or up to 60-second videos have literally changed the way people are shooting and editing their videos these days in some very, very creative ways. Everybody is using different transitions, some very cool effects to make their videos more entertaining, because of which so many editing apps and softwares have also been gaining a lot of popularity these days. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which I really hope you do, you probably already know how much I love creating transition reels. It's so much fun to shoot, edit, and then mix it with some nice trending music. But recently I experimented with cloning myself for a reel, and this is the video we are talking about. It's on this very trending jiggle jiggle music that so many people are creating a reel on these days with their partner or their friends. And I decided to do it with myself by creating a separate version in a different outfit so that it looks like my twin is dancing with me. And to my surprise, so many of you actually believed that I do have a twin sister. No guys, I don't have a twin. It's just me dancing in a different outfit. And so many of you also requested me to show how I actually created this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. Also a couple of mistakes that I made while shooting this video, so you guys don't repeat the same mistakes, and then how I fixed it in editing. So if you're interested in creating a similar video on this or any other music, make sure to watch this video till the end. I hope you enjoy watching it and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button. You guys know the drill, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so to create a video like this, let's first come to the shooting part. Now you'll be needing 2 video clips, with each clip having you on the different sides of the frame, which is pretty easy to shoot, but then you definitely need to keep some things in mind for the editing process to be as smooth as possible. So for this video, I first chose a location, then set up my camera on the tripod. Now using a tripod is very, very important for a video like this so that your camera doesn't move even a bit. And then set up your frame. Now avoid keeping the frame too tight. Your versions on both sides of the frame should fit in properly without overlapping or clashing with each other. So make sure you place yourself at a different position in each clip. So first I shot this dance sequence in my outfit number 1 on the left side of the frame. My husband Ashish was so patient in playing the music again and again whenever I needed the retakes. And once I was done shooting on the left side of the frame, I marked the exact same position I was standing at with a plastic bottle lid. You can use a coin, a paper, whatever you want to. And then I quickly ran to change into my outfit number 2 so that the lighting doesn't change much. Now that's a challenge when you're shooting outdoors. The sunlight is constantly changing, which you can't really do much about. So to make your final video look as smooth as possible, you can just try to make it quick. Also, you need to make sure that the camera doesn't move even an inch from its position. The frame should remain exactly the same. So I now came back wearing my outfit number 2. The lighting had changed a bit, which we'll now have to deal with while editing. So I now shot the same dance sequence with music on the right side of the frame, in line with where I had marked my position for the previous one, trying my best not to overlap or clash with the first clip. And now that we have both the clips, let's get on to the editing part where the actual magic begins. Now there are 2 ways to edit a video like this: on your laptop with a software like Premiere Pro, or you can simply edit it on your mobile phone with an editing app called Videoleap, which I personally prefer because it's quick, simple and very handy. I'd highly recommend you install this app on your phone if you're into making creative videos like this. And guys, this video is not sponsored by Videoleap, that's just my personal opinion. Also, when I was actually editing this reel for my Instagram, I did not record the screen of my phone because it was later that I thought to make a YouTube video for this. So I'm going to be editing it again on my phone for you guys. So let's go. So once you open the app, import both the video clips and they'll appear side by side like this. Now trim both these clips to select only the parts that you actually need. So I'm going to split this clip here, then select the part that I don't need, tap on it, and you'll see a small delete icon here. Tap it and it's deleted. Similarly, edit the next clip. Now once you have both the clips trimmed side by side, select the second clip and drag it over the first one to create another layer. Now here below you can see many tools. Tap the mask tool, you will see options like linear, mirror, rectangle, etc. Select the linear option and you will see a line like this. Now using your two fingers, rotate this line to the point where you are able to see both the videos side by side. Now when I play the clips together, I realize that the dance steps are not in sync. Maybe I didn't trim the videos correctly. So I'm stretching the beginning of one of the clips to adjust it in a way that the dance steps are in sync. Another very obvious problem we see here is a light difference. As I said earlier, lighting can change constantly while we shoot outdoors. So we can see this very obvious line here. One thing we can do to counter this is by pulling the arrow edges of the line. So using just one finger, pull just one side of the arrow. It blurs and blends this line. The more you pull, the more it blends. So you can adjust this according to your clips. As you can see, it's looking much better now. Also, one of the mistakes that I made while shooting these clips was I didn't leave enough space between both my versions. So it's now kind of overlapping. Like during this step, my right hand and foot of the right side of the video are overlapping with the left side and getting a little transparent. So now we'll have to fix it manually using keyframes. A keyframe is this diamond shaped icon on the bottom right corner of the screen just above the mask. Tap it and it appears on the video clip. Now when you add the keyframe to a clip, you can move or spin the mask line for that part of the video and adjust it with your body movements like this. So now when I play the video, you can see the mask line moving to match my body movements. You can also drag the arrows in at various points to make the edges a little sharper. Now since it's a dance video, my body is constantly moving and there's very little to no space between both the versions. I had to add a lot of keyframes throughout the video to make it look as smooth as possible. So guys, please don't make the frame too tight and also leave a lot of distance between where you place yourself in both the clips. It's going to make the editing a lot more easier. Once it's done and you're happy with the results, simply export the video by tapping on the export option at the top right corner of the screen. You can also adjust the size, quality and frames per second of the video at this point and save it in your camera roll. And yeah, that was it. It looks a little bit complicated in the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple to do. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. And guys, do follow me on Instagram if you don't already. I post a lot of reels there on regular basis. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture in this small circle over here. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you later. Bye.